If you've seen ads, social media posts, or even friends talking about Coinplex, also known as CPLEXPRES.com, you might be wondering if this so-called AI-powered quantitative trading platform is truly a groundbreaking opportunity or just another scheme that's designed to take advantage of investors who are looking for quick profits. The first thing that stands out is the way the company presents itself. It claims to have been founded in 2019 and says it uses advanced AI technology to generate consistent daily returns. But when you dig deeper, the cracks begin to show. There is no real transparency about who is running the operation. No ownership or executive details listed anywhere, and the domain history raises suspicions since there are links pointing back to China, which is often a red flag with platforms like this. Instead of offering actual products, services, or technology that customers can verify or use, the entire setup seems to revolve around memberships and investment deposits, which is a structure that closely resembles Ponzi schemes. The quantitative trading they advertise is supposed to magically generate returns at the click of a button, which doesn't reflect how real financial markets work, since legitimate trading requires complex strategies, risk management, and actual market activity. Another concerning detail is the compensation plan. It relies heavily on recruitment, meaning new investors bring in money that is then used to pay older members, a cycle that can only continue as long as fresh deposits keep coming in. This exact formula has been seen before with platforms like SDT Quant, Pitrix, and TOST, which all collapsed once investor growth slowed down, leaving countless people with losses. When you look at the bigger picture, the signs all point to an unsustainable model that isn't built on real business activity, but rather on money circulating between participants. While Coinplex's marketing might look polished and convincing, the lack of transparency, the unrealistic daily returns, and the heavy reliance on recruitment commissions make it very difficult to see how this could last long-term. At the end of the day, these types of platforms often create a buzz by promising easy wealth, but history shows that once deposits dry up, the entire system crumbles, leaving latecomers holding the bag. So if you're considering joining, it's important to weigh the risks, recognize the warning signs, and remember the opportunities that promise effortless returns at the push of a button almost always come with hidden dangers.